So it's gonna be the first time I'm trying to turn it on after fucking say about 6 or 7 months. I'll say about 6 months. So the thing that happened was that the stud bolt broke. You know, I couldn't fix it. Turned out from bad to worse. So yeah, let's turn it on. See if it still turns on. Because I want to change the battery later on. Alright, so what we're gonna do right now is just take a little cruise around, see how everything's going. I'm trying to pair my fucking Cena, but it won't go through. I got a new phone, so it's kind of hard. No baffles. Just getting the engine a little bit warmed up. Let's see how this shit sounds. If it sounds good, then we're good. And if it doesn't, it doesn't. Yeah, we'll see what's up. It's not working. Damn it. I'm doing just riding around, seeing if this shit works. I'm talking about the GoPro, not the fucking motorcycle. The motorcycle's working fine. Just like a little bit of stuff I gotta do. Come on, man. I get this shit working. I drove around for a little bit. The motorcycle heated up. You know, just little by little. Still fucking trying to get this shit to work, but it's not working. What? There we go. Got it. Finally, I guess I had to hold it. Fucking idiot. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. Now I can listen to music on my ride and everything. Mexican music. Alright, so hopefully you guys can hear me on the ride. Why haven't I been posting motor vlogs? Well, it's because my motorcycle is kind of messed up. My header bolt, the rear header bolt for the exhaust, broke off. So it's basically riding right now without a stud, but I need to warm up the engine, warm up the fucking oil, but that way it won't go to waste. But right now it's kind of dusty. I did wash it last week, but you know, I was like, fuck it, I gotta ride it, and let me ride my baby and everything. The plan for this is that I do want to convert the engine from an 883 to a 1250. So my goal is to get the 1250 SNS conversion kit. I already spoke to Harley Davidson. I'm not even speeding, bro. I already spoke to Harley Davidson. They said they're willing to do it. So they give me an estimate of how much it's gonna be. So right now at this point, that's the goal for this to be from an 83 to a 1250 conversion kit. I know most of you are like, hey, why don't you just buy a new one? First of all, no. I love this bike. It's my first bike. I'm gonna keep my bike. So that's the goal. I am gonna convert the tank to a 4.5 because, you know, gas prices right now are off the chain. So that's the goal. So we'll see what happens. So like at this point right now, it's just, you know, a waiting process. I do need to ride my motorcycle. Honestly, winter's coming. Oh shit, Game of Thrones, winter's coming.
Winter is coming.
Winter's coming already. Right here in the valley, it's super fucking hot to even ride. Right now it's like, say about 100 degrees. So it's good riding weather. So this is the goal. I'm gonna try to do what I can to speed up the process to get everything I need. So at this point right now, that's the goal. Now you guys know. Hopefully everything's picking up to my voice. Hopefully later on in the future I could do motor vlogs. So yeah, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I got a second channel. It's all about fishing. That's the kind of hobby I've been picking up after my motorcycle broke down. I go fishing, you know, catfish, bass, whatever. Make sure to subscribe to that channel, Hooligan Fishing 760. And yeah, man, you know, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for the future. Hopefully the 83 will become a 1250 Hooligan SNS, whatever kind of kit. So, you know, just stay tuned, guys. Thank you.